Hey, good night everyone. I'm here to do a monologue. Now this monologue was penned by the creative mind of Gideon Jr. Hope you enjoyed. What is a man? A simple question, full of misdirection, and honestly upon reflection, you would find that calling it a gender is a gross oversimplification. A man isn't a fixed role or point of reference, not some action figure that can be constructed to your preference. We expect a silent, brooding fellow who speaks with his hands, a tough guy, and not some marshmallow. Emotions? That's what girls they say. Big man don't shed tears. A man is supposed to fight all our fears and have no fear. But wait a minute, I don't think that's fair. Manhood is a journey, not a destination. Path that varies with every man in this generation. From childhood onward, they face the challenges of growing pains, the feeling of youthful invincibility, often giving ways to crippling insecurity. But as a man, that's the mask we wear. Not by choice, but because we don't have a voice. Unless that voice is the silence to a noise, the solution to a problem, and not a desperate cry for help, well, that is how it is, dog. A man is seen and less than what he really is. So, pop quiz, what is a man if not a person? How would you expect a mother to raise her son? If a man is to be the protector, who protects him? Or do we look out for him on a whim, as the chances are slim of help ever being needed by him? Though inside, he's crying, his motivation is dying. But like Superman, dun, ta, 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 to the rescue, he must come flying. All I'm saying is that a man is a human, no more or less than his counterpart, the woman. The man of steel, that's a happy myth. So I hope you remember that when you see him struggle with the problems that he's faced with. So, here ends my rather unconventional speech. I really hope that we start to teach our sons that it's okay to feel, to cry, to reach out for help, rather than living this glorious misogynistic lie. Because honestly, on our own, we men are strong. But strength enough means nothing if we feel like we don't belong.